it's Florida Structural Group here again on Gordon Drive in Naples. My name's Jacob Peachy. We're here pouring some concrete today. We got a 40-yard pour of a 5,000 PSI mix. Following up tomorrow, we'll be pouring the rest of the wall, another 40 yards with our 5,000 PSI mix. The next week, we'll be installing the dead men, forming up the cap, pouring the cap. It's about 65 yards, and doing a punch out, flowing in some clean beach sand on the outside, pressure washing the panels, and that'll be a wrap. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out our Instagram for more reels and updated projects.